Sounds of Decay 1 is Fluisteraars, The Chronicles of the Disappeared Castle 2 EP. The long-running duo of Bob Malema and Mink Coops. What a great name. Are you sure they're Dutch? Anyway, they've returned, trying their hand at the increasingly popular technique of feed the algorithm two-part EP type release. The name of the band translates to Whisperers, and the title of the project translates to The Chronicles of the Disappeared Castle. This one is a little fruitier than the Part 1 EP, a disc that I found appealing. It came out earlier this year. It had kind of an aggressive, hypnotic burzumness to it and some cool mangle-it, strangle-it guitar experiments. But don't go thinking that the pair have dulled their fangs for this installment. There's plenty of reverb-soaked slit-throat gargles from Malema. But the addition of pianos, dulcimers, along with some female vocals give the second release more of a Wolves in the Throne Room kind of flavor.
The first song, translated to The Moon, Son of the Dead, is a great combination of the atmospheric style with female vocals and old-school black metal shrieks, and love the trance-inducing doom-paced slowdown in the second half. The guitars like to ramble between jangly, Atmos black picking, and tritony tremolo oscillations. Track 2, the mystique surrounding the Hammerstone, does also move out of the jangly atmospherics into some 1991 style riff changes. Some great majestic, almost orchestral melodies close out the song. It is an interesting take on a familiar sound with lots of variety in tempo and instrumental experimentation. They must be doing well for themselves, as it seems. Every stick of merchandise has sold out of their Bandcamp page.
Yep.
So those Fluisteraars oven mitts you were eyeing won't be under your satanic Yule tree this year. At any rate,
No curses.
consider the algorithm fed. Burp.
Yeah. So let's play a song. This is the mystique surrounding the Hammerstone.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.